Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to fix media sound not working in Samsung. Let's go. You can't listen to music videos or other audio content because it's frustrating, but don't fret. I've got some easy steps to help you fix this problem. First of all, just swipe down from the top like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap on the sounds and vibration option here. Ensure your device isn't in vibrate or mute mode if it is. Simply choose Sound and tap on the volume button. This will open up sliders for various audio outputs, including media sounds, ringtones, and more. Adjust these sliders to maximize the volume. You can leave the Bixby voice slider as it is or increase it if you prefer. After adjusting the volume settings, check if the issue has been resolved. If you're still having trouble listening to media sounds, we'll move on to the next solution. Now, open the Settings app again and scroll down until you find the Notifications section. Tap on it and then select Do Not Disturb. If this feature is enabled, it might block media sounds from playing. Turn it off and see if this fixes the issue with media sounds. If you're still unable to hear any media sounds after making these adjustments, don't worry, I have one last solution left. Open the Settings app once more and scroll down until you see the Accessibility section. Tap on it, then select Hearing Enhancements. Here, you'll need to check for an option labeled Mute All Sounds. Make sure this setting is turned off after adjusting it. A simple reboot can often fix any remaining issues. After your device has restarted, check if the media sound issue has been resolved by following these steps. Adjust the volume settings, disabling Do Not Disturb mode, and ensuring accessibility features are correctly set. You should be able to enjoy your content without any more problems. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.